Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a part two on this 1999 240 EFI, what I call big ECM. I think it's a 1999 Sea-Doo. Let me just make sure. No, yeah, it's a Sea-Doo Challenger 1800 from Joanna in Illinois. They sent this computer, and I'm going to show briefly his the first part right here, so we can see again because this is part two where the computer is no communication, no start. I have, as you can see, the computer connected in here. Let me put this in the on full screen. And let me just scroll up a little bit. I'm just showing in there the numbers of the computer, which I can show on the cover, which I have right here. So let me stop the video so we can see that that is indeed the same numbers. A little blurry in there. Let me, okay, that's perfect. So we can see, again, it's going to be in backwards. I washed the entire computer, but you can see now and there that we have indeed, Joanna, your computer fully open. And it was a dead, no start, no communication, no fuel pump. I had it running probably for 5 seconds. I couldn't record that, if I remember correctly. But it was no fuel pump, no nothing on this computer, and now it's fully repaired. So as you can see here, based on the setup that this is higher RPMs, and my signals might not be the perfect to keep it lower than that, but I always run it around this 3000 RPMs. We can see the fuel amperage, and this is only because that's what I'm using, sorry, right there instead of the fuel pump. And we have the three injector drivers working good. If it's injection, that means coils, triggers, everything is good. And we can see that on here too. Trigger A status, pass, trigger B status, and trigger C, all pass, EEPROM status, pass, ECM status, and calibration prom ID, all is good. So again, this is your computer, Joanna, so I'm going to turn it off. So we're going to lose communication. And we're going to see that in the screen as synchronizing. So when I turn the ignition just on, like I will come back, but as you see, since it's not running, this computer will only communicate running. Obviously, since I am the one providing the signals, that is not a problem. But you can see that when it's a problem, trigger status will go as fail, and that's when it's not running. But if I run it, as you can see immediately, we have injection milliseconds, and now all the trigger status has passed. So everything on your computer is back working 100%. I will be contacting you shortly to collect payment and then send the computer back your way so you can start enjoying your vehicle. Thank you guys so much for visiting the channel. If you have any marine ECM or automotive ECM, please contact me. Just visit me in my website. Let me put it on the screen so you guys can see that too. All you gotta type is MAIC, and I will probably be your number one search in YouTube. This is in there. You can see my address, telephone, and everything. And in here, if I have work for you, you can click in here and then leave me a review or go over to my website. What I recommend to do to ones that are looking for me to help them with again a marine or automotive ECM, just hit the contact or call me directly. I'd rather have everything on an email like that. We can have a conversation of your approval of your request. I don't have to be trying to find information later because sometimes I have received computers they don't come with any information, just the name of the customer, and sometimes that makes it very hard because I work in many different computers, and sometimes it's just impossible to keep up, right? But yeah, if you have anything that you need to diagnose, repair, look for, that is my website, MikeSalazarDiagnostics.com. You will come. This is the first landing on the page. Obviously, it's more to the page than just that. You can scroll down if you want to see more. I have a few um, I don't know, like menus that you can see how work starts at. You can book a repair if you're local. I have pictures, plenty of pictures of repairs and all the latest videos at the bottom. If you want to become part of my forum, you can also come in here and then go to forum and then just request a membership, which is easy to get. I will just send you a form that you will have to abide as conduct, right? And then you will be able to see what is on the forum, post questions and stuff like that for electronics or again, marine and automotive ECM. Even if you are an owner or a technician, there's a lot of good information in there. All right, guys, thank you so much for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. And again, as we say in Costa Rica, pura vida. See you next time. Bye bye.